Hello, my name is Miguel, and in today's video I will be telling you guys how to install MetaMask on Chrome. The first thing you want to do is open a new tab. Then in the URL search bar, type metamask.io. Make sure it is this URL address. There are many clones that can be harmful and scam you, so make sure that it's metamask.io. The link will also be in the description. Next, click download here. Then make sure you select Chrome, then press Install MetaMask for Chrome. Once you have done this, click Add to Chrome. Click Add Extension. Then wait a bit. As you can see, it says MetaMask has been added to Chrome. Then it should automatically open a new tab. Press Get Started. Press Yes, let's get it set up. Create a wallet. You can do whatever you want with this, but I prefer to do no thanks. Next, create a password. Click I read and agree to the terms of use. Click Create. So basically this video is telling you that you need to keep your secret recovery phrase very safe. This can be used to unlock your account, and anyone who has this phrase, no matter, they don't need to know your password, but if they have this phrase, they can take control of all your assets and take away everything. So make sure these 12-word phrase, you keep it very safe, and you never tell anyone, not even staff at MetaMask, because they don't need to know that. And make sure you write it down and keep it somewhere super secure and safe. Press click here to review secret words. Now these are the 12 secret words. Make sure you pay attention and you write these down word to word, including the space. This is very important. Also, it's recommended that you memorize this phrase in case you lose where you have stored it. Once you have done that, click Next. Now you need to confirm your secret recovery phrase, so you select each phrase in order to make sure it's correct. So I have my phrase here, but you shouldn't do this. You should take it from the paper, but since this is a tutorial, I'm just going to do it from here. So bulk dish. Also, I'm showing the secret recovery phase because this is a tutorial and I won't be using that wallet. You should never ever show anyone your secret recovery phase. I'm just doing this because it's a tutorial and I'm not going to do anything for that wallet. Now click All Done. Now, welcome to your MetaMask wallet. You can click this button and click MetaMask, and you can right click the box and press Pin, so you don't have to keep doing that each time and you only have to click this box. Now you can buy, send, and swap your coins. You can copy your address, and if you want to, tell people to send crypto to your MetaMask wallet, then just give them the address by clicking copy to clipboard. That's it. Thank you for watching this video, and please like and subscribe if you enjoyed. And also check out my NFT collection called CryptoTigers at CryptoTigers.club. Go to the website to find more information. And thank you. Bye.